Before throwing away the leftover fabric or denim garments, see this video, then decide. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where creativity meets sustainability. Today we are going to explore something truly magical, how leftover fabric pieces, those tiny scrap we often think are useless, can turn into the most beautiful Christmas decoration. Don't throw away your leftover fabric because what you see as waste can become a wreath, a star ornament, a festive garland, or even a cozy Christmas tree topper. So grab your scissor, glue, a little imagination, and let's transform into a sparkle. Before we start crafting, let's talk about why using leftover fabric is so important. Every small piece of fabric carries energy of cooler texture and creativity. Instead of ending up in the trash, these little leftovers can become part of something meaningful forever. By reusing them, we reduce textile waste, save money, encourage eco-friendly living, and you can also use as a business point. Every bit of fabric has a story, maybe from an old dresses, a curtain, or a handmade cushions. Let's give those stories new life this Christmas. Let's begin with fabric ornaments. You can cut circle stars or heart shapes from leftover cotton, linen, or even old shirts. Sew a glue two layers together, add a bit of cotton filling inside and tie a ribbon on top. These soft ornaments look so cozy on the Christmas tree. You can even paint them or add glitter for a more festive touch. And the best part, these ornaments are child safe, reusable every year, and can even be given as a thoughtful handmade gifts. And if you success to make a beautiful craft, you can sell it on online or in the market. Now let's make a fabric garland. Cut long strips from different fabric scrap, red, green, gold, and white, and denim. Then one by one on a roof for fairy light string. The result, a colorful rustic garland that spread warmth and Christmas cheer. For it, you can wrap leftover fabric, denim around a wire ring or an old embroidery hoop. Decorate it with pine cones, jute bows, or teeny ornaments. Hang it on your doors, and every guest will ask, "Where did you buy this?" And you will smile and say, "I made it from leftovers." They will surprise. How about creating a mini fabric Christmas tree for your table? Use a cardboard cone as a base, cut the leftover denim fabric into strips or small triangles, glue layer by layer from bottom to top. You will get a soft textured mini tree that's totally unique. You can also use lace, felt, or denim scrap to make different style, modern, vintage, or rustic. Add small buttons or ribbons to finish the look. These teeny trees make wonderful centerpiece for dining table, side shelves, office desk. Let's pause for a moment and talk about why this small act matters. Using leftover fabric help us protect the environment from textile waste, spark creativity, turning something ordinary into extraordinary, build families movement, kids love helping with cutting, glue, and designing, spread love and mindfulness because handmade things carry emotion and care. Instead of spending money on store-bought decor, you are creating meaningful decoration filled with heart and purpose. If you still have more fabric left, try these quick ideas. Fabric gift wrap present with cloth and tie them with jute string. Fabric star for your wall or window. Teeny stuff angles made from lace or white fabric or denim. And patchwork table runner or placement for your Christmas dinner. Each piece tell a story of creativity, care, and sustainability. So this Christmas, don't throw away from your fabric leftover. Transform them. Let your home shine with your handmade creation, and spread these crafting to your kids, and let your heart feel proud knowing you have made something beautiful from something small. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing and crafting videos. And once again, thanks for